Hello, this is Professor Muskan and welcome to my YouTube channel, Ansari Academy. In our today's topic, we are going to discuss that how to find log and anti-log using this log table in a very easy and simple step. Because learning log and finding values using this log table is very important for your board examination. In our today's session, we are going to use three basic formulas to find the value using log table. So these are our three basic formulas that we will be using to find log. The first one is log A into B is equals to log A plus log B. Log A divided by B is equals to log A minus log B. And log m raised to n is equals to n log m. Let's take few examples and use these formulas on it. So our first example number 1. Consider any number. Let's consider a number 8824 multiplied by 7826. This is our value. Now we have to apply log on this value. So applying log 8824 into 7826. By applying log, we can easily find out this value. So which will be equal to, now we have to find that log A into B is log A plus log B according to the formula. So log, over here 8824 is our value of A. So log A, that is log 8824 plus log of 7826. Now see over here, as these numbers or the digits over here is 8824, there are 4 digits. 8824, there are 4 digits. Over here 7826, there are 4 digits. So under this 4 digits, we have to subtract minus 1. As we know that there are 4 digits, that is 8824. Now we have to subtract minus 1 from this 4 digits, we get 3. The same way we are going to apply this 3 over here. 3 points. Now next step will be, we have to find this 8824 value from the log. What we have done, we have subtracted minus 1 from this 4-digit values. We get 3 points. After that, we have to find this value 8824 from the log. So what is our value? It is 8824. It is 8824. We have to find it. So 88 is somewhere over here. Here is 88. Next, we have to find the value for 2 in the row, in the column of 2. It is 9455. Okay, 88 into, we have got 88 into over here. It is 9455. So we will write over here as it is 9455. After that, the number is 4. After 2, the number is 4. Now we have to check this 4 value in the mean difference table. Okay, this is our mean difference table. In this mean difference table, we have to find out the value for 4. 88 mean difference is 2. The mean difference is 2. Mean difference is 2. Okay. So what we will do, we will add this value 2 in 9455. So we get 9457. We get 9457. So the value for 8824 in the log table is 9457. 9457 plus, again the same step. There are 4 digits, 7826, there are 4 digits. So in 4 digits, we have to subtract 1, we get 3. So again, we'll be writing 3 points. Now we have to find the log of 7826. We have to find the log of 7826 from the log table. Firstly, we are going to see the value 78 in the log table. So the value 78 in the log table over here is, value 78 is over here. In this value, we have to find 2. In this 2, we get 78 into, we get 8932. So we are going to write over here 8932. Then again, the number is 6. We have to find this value of 6 in the mean difference table. In the mean difference table, for the value of 6, we got 3. Okay, so we will add 3 over here. We get 3 plus 2 is 5, 3, 9, 8. We get 8, 9, 3, 5 as our value. We got 8, 9, 3, 5. After adding this, we get 7.8392. 7.8392. Now we are going to apply anti-log to this value. We are going to apply anti-log to this value. So what do we get? Now we have to find the value for anti-log of 7.8392 from the anti-log table. From the anti-log table. So whenever we are going to find the value for anti-log, we always have to consider the value after the point. Check the anti-log. Right over here. Check anti-log after the point. After the point. This is only for your reference, just for remember. Always check the anti-log after the point. So after the point, the value is 8392. It is 0.8392. So check this value in this anti-log table. It is over here, 0.8392. So in the column of 9, we get 6902. This 6902. Now we have to find the 2 in this mean difference table. It is the value for 2 is 3. Value for 2 is 3 over here. So we will add 3. Will be 5, 0, 9, 6. So we get, what do we get? 690. So the value is 6905. Now simply just put a point, and the remaining, the number 7, which is remaining. This remaining number 7 can be written as 10 to the power 7. This remaining number 7 can be written as 10 to the power 7. Now this is your value for 8824 into 7826. Is 6.905 into 10 to the power 7. 29.86 into 3.845. Okay, let's consider this value. So what is our first step? Firstly, we will be applying a log to this. 29.86 into 3.84 of 29.86 plus log of 3.845. This is our formula. Now let's find out the log. Before that, we know the step, that is before point there are 2 digits, that is 2 and 9. There are 2 numbers. So what we will do, we are going to subtract these value by 1. So there are 2 values, 2 and 9. So we will subtract it by 1. 2 minus 1 will be equal to 1. So here we are going to write 1 point. Now our value is 29.86. We have to find the value 29 in the log table. 29 is somewhere over here. Here is our 29. In 29, the next number is 8. So we have to find the value 8 in the column of 8. It is somewhere. So the value is 4742. The value of 29. The value of 29 in 8 is 4742. The value is 4742. We have to add from the mean difference table. The next value is 6. To find the value 6 in this mean difference table, it is 9. So we are going to add 9. We get 1, 5, 7, 4. So we got the value 4751. We have got the value 4751 plus. Again, we have to write for this, that is 3 points. The number over here before the point is 1. The number before the point is 1, that is 3. So 1 minus 1 will be equal to 0. So we are going to write over here 0 points. Next step will be we have to find the value for 3845. The value for 3845 from the log table. The value 38 in 4 is 5843. The value 38 in 4 is 5843. This is 5843. The next value is 5. So we are going to find this 5 value in the mean difference table. In the mean difference table, it is 6. The value for 5 is 6. So we are going to add the value 6 over here. We get 9, 4, 8, 5. 5849. After substituting over here, we get 5849. So after adding this, we get 2.06. So after applying anti-log, now we have to find the value for anti-log of 2.06 from the anti-log table. Our value is 2.06. So 2.06 can be written as I have said you before, we have to check the anti-log after the point. Always check the anti-log which is after the point. Okay. So we are going to check only for the value 0.06. So in the anti-log table, the 0.06 value is over here. 0.06 in 0, which is 1148. The value is 1148. Okay. So we got the value of 1148. Now we will simply apply a point over here, 1.148, and the leftover value, that is 2. This can be written as 10 to the power 2. Now this is the value for our, this is the value for the equation 29.86 into 3.845 is equals to 1.148 into 10 to the power 2. See, 0.0038 into 830.2. Okay, we're going to apply log 0.0038 into 830.2. So according to the formula, will come 0.0038 plus log of 830.2. Okay, before the number. Before number, if there are zeros. If there are zeros. Suppose there are 3 zeros as in the question. So we are going to write over here as 3 bar. If there are 2 zeros before the number, we are going to write it as 2 bar. So this 3 bar means minus 3. This 2 bar means minus 2. If there are 4 zeros before the number, we are going to write it as 4 bar equals to, which is minus 4. All right. So as in our question, there are 3 zeros. So we have wrote over here 3 bar point. Next, we have to consider the log table for 38. Of 38 in 0 is 5798. Value for 38 is 5798. We are going to write this as 5798 plus. Again, we know that if there are 3 numbers before the point, what do? 3 minus, we subtract minus 1 from it. So we get 2. So 2 point. Next, we have to find the value for 830 in the log. The value for 8302 from the log. So the first value is 83 in 0. We are going to find 83 in 0. 83 is over here. 83 in 0 is 9191. It is 9191 plus the next value is 2. So we are going to find this value in the mean difference table, which is 1. We are going to add the value 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, 919. So 9192 is our value. So we're going to write 9192. 0.4990. Now we are going to apply anti-log. All right. We are going to apply anti-log. This log will come to the right hand side, it will become anti. This opposite of the log is anti-log. So we get the value for, we are going to find the value for anti-log. We know that whenever we want to check the value for anti-log, we always check the value for anti-log after the point. After the point, the value is 0.4990. It is 0.4990. So the value 49 in the log table is over here. It is 0.49 in 9. It is 3155. 3155 plus the mean difference is 0. So we get 551. The value is 3155. The value we get is 3155. Simply add a point after one digit into the remaining value is 0. Where the remaining value is 0. So how we are going to write? In the form of 10 to the power 0. And we know that anything raised to 0 is 1. Okay? Anything raised to 0 is 1. 10 raised to 0 is 1. So the final value is 3.155. Now we are going to find out the value for log by using our second formula, that is log A divided by B equals to log A minus log B. So now let's take few examples for this as well. Example number 1, take any number. So consider 24.26 divided by 6.214. Okay. Now apply log. Applying log, we get to 24.26 divided by 6.214. Okay, which is equal to log, according to the formula, it is 24.26 minus log of 6.214. Now we have to find the log. We know that there are two numbers before the point. There are two numbers, that is 2 and 4. There are two numbers. So subtracting 2 minus 1, we get 1. So we are going to write 1 point. After that, we know in 6.214, before the point, there are only one number. There is only one digit, that is 6. So we are going to subtract this 1 digit minus 1. We get 0. Okay. So minus 0 point. Okay. Now check the log of 24.26 from the log table. 24.26, the value is 24.26 from the log table. So the value 24 is here. 24, 2 is 3838. The value is 24 into is 3838 plus the next value is 6. So we are going to search the value 6 in the mean difference table, which is 11. The value is 11. So we are going to add this 11, 9, 4, 8, 3. So we get 3849. We got the value 3849. Next, we have to find the value for 6214 from the log table. 6214. The value is 6214. So 62 is over here. 62 in 1, it is 7931. So 7931 plus the last value is 4, which we are going to find in the mean difference table. The value is 3. So adding 3. So we got 4, 3, 9, 7. So we get 7934 as our value. We have got 0.7934 as our. After subtracting this, we get the value as 5195.0. So the value is 0.5915. So apply anti-log over here. This log We come to the right hand side, we get antilog. The opposite of log is antilog. The antilog of 0.5915. Always remember that whenever we check the antilog, we check it after the point, the digit after the point, which is 5915. So in this antilog table, we are going to find out the value for 0.5915. 0.5915 after the point. So where it is 59, somewhere here is 0.59 in 1. 0.59 in 1 is 3899. This is 3899 plus again adding the last value, searching the last value in the mean difference table, which is 5 in 5 is 5. 14, 1 carry 10, 9, 3. So it is 3904. We have got the value as 3904. 3904. Simply adding point over here into the remaining is 0. So 10 to the power is 0. Which is anything less to 0 is 1. So the final value is 3.90. Take another example for the same formula. The second example is take any number 0.0029 divided by 0.0012. All right, now apply the formula log of 0.0029 divided by 0.0012, which is equal to log of 0.0029 minus log of 0.0012. As I said before that, whenever there are zeros before the digits, if there are zeros before the digits or before the number, we have to write, if as example, before the number 2, there are 3 zeros. So we are going to write 3 bar, 3 point minus again over here 0.00. Again, before the number there are 3 zeros. So again, we are going to write as 3 bar. Now check the value of 29 from the log table. 29. So over 29 is somewhere here. 29 in 0, which is 4624. It is 4624. We have 4624. Again, we have to find the value for 12 from the log table. Value for 12 is how much? Value for 12 is, we are going to find the value for 12 in 0, which is 0792. Which is 0792. The value is 0792. So we are going to write over here as 0.0792. So after subtracting these values, we get 0 point something. So it will be 2383.0. Okay, after subtracting, we got 0.3832. So applying antilog. Now to find, we know that whenever we have to find the antilog, we check it after the point. After the point, the value is 3832. The value is 3832. So have to check the antilog for this value. The value 38.38 is over here. So 38 in 3. 38 in 3 is 2415. 38 in 3 is in this 3 is 2415. 2415. Again, the last value remaining is 5 is 2. The last digit remaining is 2. So we are going to search in the 2, we get 1. In this 2, we got 1. So add value 1, we get 6146. So we got 2416. 2416. Simply add a point over here, and the remaining is 10 to the power 0. Before the point, the number is 0. So 10 to the power 0. 2.416 is the answer.